Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can recover the Google Chat history on your phone. So let's go ahead and start the video. Go to the Google search bar to search for Google Takeout. After you search for Google Takeout, click on the first link which appears on your screen. What you need to do next is sign into your account. You can see that you have signed into your account already. If you want to select another account, click on your profile and you can select other accounts. Now you can see the deselect all. Just go ahead and tap on deselect all, scroll a bit down and you must find Google Chat. So if you find Google Chat, just go ahead and click on the tick mark as you can see. Now scroll all the way down and you can see the next step. Just go ahead and tap on it. You can see send download via link. You can see if you scroll a bit down, there is a frequency. Options are export once or export every 2 months for 1 year. So you can see the frequency can be chosen quite easily. And if you scroll a bit down, you can see the file type and size. You can choose this. The file types are zip, IP, zip or the TZZ files. So you can see the file size. You can export this type of file size. Go ahead and tap on create export, wait for a while and your data will be exported. So you can see that your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. You'll receive an email when your export is done. So there you go. This is how you get in your history on Google Chat and how you can recover it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.